Hi guys, it's me again, Allison. Remember this mirror that I said I was going to transform for my sister? I was going to take off the pink and the white, I think, yeah, feather boa and fix her up. Well, we had a little issue. If you want to see what happened, keep watching. Oh, man. I was just about to start doing a makeover on it because I wanted to give it to my sister for her new place. So I was going in the closet to get some tape, and I don't know what happened. It just fell flat on his face. That means there's probably glass all underneath here. Oh dear. And I'm gonna, I put the broom outside the door. That's my crazy laugh. So I've got to try to pick this thing up. Let me go and find some. Do I have my outdoor slippers? My outdoor shoes here? I thought I had them over. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to put my outdoor shoes on so that I don't kill myself or stab myself or I don't know. And I heard it shatter, so I could see the pieces. Here we go. Let me take this back. Oh, I can take it up. So it didn't help that I had my weight at the bottom of it. You know what? Things happen. And they could always be worse. Well, I guess these lights are not going to work anymore. I can't imagine the amount of noise that the people of Beirut went through when that ammonium nitrate bomb exploded. Because this noise was horrendous when it first happened. So, no use crying over spilt milk. I've just got to get to cleaning up. Dobby's like, Mommy, are you okay? As soon as it crashed down, I picked Dobby up and threw him in his cage and locked it off because I could not have a bleeding dog around me. You could tell I don't really know what to do. I think I'm just stunned. It's like stunned into immobility. Okay, whatever. You know I'm gonna salvage stuff. It's not like I'm gonna throw everything away. I think I had more of these mirrors, you know. I put away storage. That would mean that I would have to ask my hubby to go and look to see if he can find another one. Hello.
Hello. Hey, I got Cardon, Color Max, Pink and Primer, gloss white or flat white, indoor outdoor pink, sleeping.
Gloss is good.
One can?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Cool.
Okay. Bye. I am not gonna say anything. Luckily I had the room right out here because I was sweeping earlier. Glass always makes me fearful when it breaks because of the cleanup. I don't usually wear shoes in here, and I worry about Dobby's feet, his paws. So after this happened, I was lucky enough to have an extra one of these mirrors. I'm just gonna do a simple rhinestone border. So the mirror's behind here. I just put this stuff on here so it's not some huge reflection coming back at you because I put a light over there just now. And this is the new bling wrap that I got. So I'm not going to use the whole thing because if I do, I will be taking up some serious reflective real estate. Maybe cut it in half. Okay, here she is. All done for now, until I can decide what I want to put in. If I want to add anything around the perimeter or lights. So when it's ready, I'll take it to my sister's, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the lights or if I'm going to add lights or not. This is not a repeat video of the first mirror that I was attempting to make for my sister that fell over and broke. This is the replacement mirror that I have finished and I've had in my room for her, waiting for her to sort her place out, whatever. And I was reaching for something up high and I don't know what happened. I have no words. You should see my puppy. He's just staring at the mirror like, not again, mommy, not again. I can't. I know it's broken. It's not like I don't know that it's broken. I know it's broken. What butterfly is responsible for this? Or which butterfly? Because there are more than one involved. Why did they have to flap their wings? To cause a shift in their subatomic particles that causes mirror to fall. It has to be scientific. Scientific. It has to be scientific. Dobby's looking at me like, Mommy? He's right here. It's okay, Mommy. I just locked his cage. You hear it? You hear it? I forgot. I can't lift it with one hand. Oh, yes, I can. Yes, I can. Definitely broken. Let the cleanups begin. Merry Christmas.